In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schema Visualizer in Supabase, Database Guide 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to supabase.com. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Just use your usual credentials or your preferred single sign-on option and you'll land on your Supabase dashboard. On the home page, choose the organization that contains the project you want to work with. If you're part of multiple teams, this keeps you in the right workspace with the correct permissions and resources. Next, open your existing project. You can absolutely create a new one if you're starting from scratch, but in most cases you'll want to inspect an existing database. Remember, this project is where your tables, policies, and API live, the same ones you interact with through the auto-generated REST endpoints and the client libraries like Supabase.js for your CRUD operations. Understanding the structure here will make your queries and inserts much cleaner. Inside the project, look to the left-hand navigation. Click Database to open the Database Tools and Management area. This is your hub for tables, SQL, backups, and more. Within the Database section, locate Database Management and select Schema Visualizer. This opens an interactive, high-level map of your Postgres schema. Here's what you're seeing and how to use it. Each box represents a table showing its columns and data types, along with indicators for primary keys and other constraints. Lines connecting tables represent foreign key relationships. These lines are the pathways your data follows when you join tables or enforce referential integrity. You can pan around the canvas and zoom in or out to focus on the parts that matter. If your project has multiple schemas, like public, auth, or storage, switch between them to reduce visual noise and focus your analysis. Use the search to jump straight to a table by name. Clicking a table highlights its relationships, making it easy to trace how records flow between entities. This is especially helpful before writing a complex query, planning a migration, or designing new tables, because you can quickly confirm which columns link across tables and which fields are required. As you explore, look for patterns and potential issues. Are primary keys consistent? Do foreign keys point where you expect? Are there tables with no relationships that might be better connected? When you're building features with the client libraries or REST API, the visualizer helps you decide which keys to include on inserts and how to structure your selects and joins for predictable results. To wrap up, the flow is simple. Go to Supabase, sign in, pick your organization, open your project, head to Database, and launch Schema Visualizer. Use it to understand tables, keys, and relationships so you can develop with clarity and confidence.